Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most feature-packed compact folding e-bikes currently on the market, the A14 Electric Bike. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. These deals don't last long. Build quality and design. The A14 is designed with urban portability and durability in mind. It has a sturdy mini folding frame that collapses quickly, allowing you to store it under a desk, in a car trunk, or even carry it on public transport. Even though it's small, the build feels solid thanks to its reinforced aluminum alloy structure. The overall weight is manageable, making it easier to carry compared to full-size e-bikes. The integrated battery placement gives it a sleek, modern look while helping keep the center of gravity low for better stability. The compact 14-inch wheels add to its portability while still offering stable handling on city streets. Motor power and speed. Despite its size, the A14 packs a surprising punch with its 650 watts peak brushless motor. This gives it brisk acceleration and enough torque to handle urban hills, stop-and-go traffic, and daily commuting needs. Its top speed averages around 20 to 22 miles per hour, which is perfect for safe city riding while still feeling fast and fun. The motor operates quietly and efficiently, and the AI-powered pedal assist system intelligently adapts the level of assistance based on your pedaling force and terrain, making every ride smoother and more natural. Battery and range. The A14 features a removable lithium-ion battery, designed to give you about 25 to 30 miles per charge on pedal assist mode and around 15 to 20 miles using throttle only, depending on terrain and rider weight. It fully charges in about 4 to 5 hours, and the removable design makes it easy to charge at home, work, or even in a coffee shop. This flexibility is ideal for commuters who want to leave the bike locked outside while bringing the battery into charge. Comfort and shock absorption. One of the standout features of the A14 is its 9-point shock absorption system. It includes a combination of front suspension fork, rear suspension, seat post suspension, and cushion saddle, all designed to reduce impact from potholes, curbs, or uneven roads. This is unusually advanced for a compact folding bike and makes a huge difference on longer rides or rough city streets. Combined with its upright seating position, it offers a surprisingly smooth and comfortable ride for such a small frame. Safety and braking. Safety is another area where the A14 excels. It comes equipped with a 44.99% optimized brake ratio through its dual mechanical disc brakes, ensuring confident and responsive stopping power even at higher speeds. The bike also includes bright LED headlights, taillights, and a clear LCD display, helping you ride safely in traffic and monitor your battery, speed, and assist level in real time. Portability and practical features. The mini folding frame makes the A14 perfect for commuters, students, or anyone who lives in a small apartment or dorm. It folds down small enough to carry on buses, trains, or in the trunk of a compact car. Despite its small size, the bike still offers adjustable handlebars and saddle height to fit different riders, and foldable pedals make it even more compact when stored. Pros and cons. Pros. 650 watts peak motor gives strong acceleration for a compact bike. AI-powered pedal assist adapts to your riding style. 9-point shock absorption system for excellent comfort. Compact folding frame fits in tight spaces. 44.99% brake ratio with dual disc brakes ensures safe stopping. Lightweight and portable for daily commuting. Removable battery charges in just 4 to 5 hours. Bright lights and LCD display improve safety. Cons. Smaller 14-inch wheels can feel less stable on rough roads. Shorter range than larger e-bikes, best for short to medium commutes. Not ideal for off-road or steep mountain climbs. Lower top speed than full-size performance e-bikes. Limited cargo capacity due to compact design. Final verdict. The A14 electric bike is one of the most advanced and portable mini e-bikes available. It blends smart technology like AI pedal assist and enhanced shock absorption with a foldable frame that makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. If you need a reliable, comfortable, and space-saving e-bike for urban commuting, college, or quick errands, the A14 is a fantastic choice. It's fast enough to keep up with traffic, light enough to carry, and smart enough to make riding effortless. Click the link below to grab your A14 electric bike today at the best discounted price before it sells out.